Welcome to Carcry, where even EVs get unboxed like that mysterious $200 power bill you forgot was coming. Today, we're talking about Tesla's two big daddies, the 2025 Model S and Model X, which just got a mild refresh and a not-so-mild price hike. Tesla says, we didn't do much, just a little refinement. Oh, and also, we're adding $5,000 to the price tag. Sounds a bit like going in for a trim and getting charged extra because we gave you a complimentary scalp massage, sir. But hold on, are these upgrades actually worth the hit to your wallet? Let's dive in.
The 2025 Model S and Model X aren't facelifts. They're more like a little Botox and better lighting. Here's what's changed. Improved cabin insulation, so now you can clearly hear the sound of your own bad financial decisions. Ambient lighting that syncs with music for folks who want to rave while stuck in traffic. Front camera and washer system, because apparently Tesla just discovered windshield wipers for cameras. New adaptive headlights, so now they won't blind oncoming drivers. Progress. The Model S is nearly 16.3 feet long. The Model X is over 16.5, about the size of your average Euro luxury SUV, but with Silicon Valley software anxiety built in. Both pack a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, with the Model S long range up to 418 miles EPA, the Model X around 337 miles EPA. Which means if you drive like a saint and never touch the AC, you could go a whole week between charges. If you have a pedal to the metal or nothing personality, still decent. Tesla's batteries are the gold standard. Inside, it's the same minimalist tech temple. The yoked steering wheel is back because Tesla wants you to feel like a fighter pilot in a Whole Foods parking lot. Giant center screen running Tesla OS, smoother than your ex's excuses. Premium seats, 22-speaker sound system that hits harder than your college debt, and of course, the Falcon Wing doors on Model X, because who doesn't want to cosplay as a billionaire peacock? And the best part? OTA updates, meaning you buy the car once, but it keeps evolving. It's not a car, it's a rolling iPhone with faster acceleration. Running costs? Still cheaper than gas. Full charge 100 kilowatt hours at home equals $12 to $15, around 2 to 3 cents per mile. Got solar panels? Even cheaper. But if you're using Tesla superchargers at 50 cents per kilowatt hour, that per mile cost triples. Still, for the speed of charging, some say it's worth the upcharge. If you're a tech lover who wants a fast, luxurious EV with street cred, the Model S and Model X are still top-tier choices. Model S long range, 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Model S Plaid, under 2 seconds. Model X Plaid, a 7-seat SUV that launches like a hypercar, 0 to 60 in under 2.6 seconds. Seriously. But this 2025 refresh isn't game-changing. If you already own a 2023 or 2024, sit this one out. It's not worth the upgrade. If you're buying new and have $85K to $110K to throw at an electric spaceship, then yes, these are still Tesla's finest. The 2025 Model S and Model X aren't revolutions, they're refinements, polishing an already sharp sword. Not for the budget-conscious, they're for those who want speed, status, and a car that gets smarter every month. If you see your car as a mobile smart device, not just metal and wheels, these deserve a spot in your garage. Still undecided? Don't worry, Carcry will be back with more deep dives, hard truths, and reviews sharper than Tesla's panel gaps. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, because cars may age, but our roasts stay fresh.